There you go. Ferrari. Another Ferrari. CSI. Wow. This one is so anime. Let's go. Hello guys. Welcome back. Today we had a Hot Wheels 2026 G case. And it was a curious way the way I got this case today. I ran into the $3 and I saw this guy walking by with two sealed baskets. And I asked him, hey, this is my lucky day today. I thought the guy worked there. I was like, you work here? He was like, no, I'm actually a buyer. But the guy was nice. He shared with me. It was nice of him. And let's see what we had in here. This is the BMW 635 CSI. So cool. We had a Honda Odyssey. Wow. This one is so anime. Very cool. '16 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster. We already had this casting on Jello, guys. I think it was an E-case. Scuderia Ferrari HP. Oh, there you go. Ferrari. Another Ferrari. Dino 206 GT. And we had this Pagani Sonda Cinque. We had this one too, this casting on white. Very cool, guys. You see, that's what I'm saying, you know, when they come with cases like these, you know, that every car is like actually cool. Look at this Fiat. Fiat base of Touring. Nice. And we have a Treasure Hunt 2-jet seat. Cool. What is? I never seen this one before. But it's a Treasure Hunt, and it's got, I like the gold though, and the red, the plastic on the top, like it's cool. Let's go. The Honda Civic Custom. Nice. Oh, I think we have a factory error. Yep, I can't wear no livery. You see right here, it's supposed to say Civic. It's actually cool. And we have the Porsche 911 Carrera T. Toyota GR Supra. Screamliner. Quick chat. Chat. Come on, chat. Subscribe, chat, so you can get more videos like this. Dodge Charger Hellcat. A nice one. (2018) Honda Civic Type R. Nice. '98 Honda Prelude. Nice. Damn, this one is a nice one. Let's go. Another Prelude. 2024 Aston Martin Vantage GT3. Nice. Custom 72 Chevy. Love. Bounce and Bass. Another BMW. Another Rari. And another Odyssey. This one is a nice one, man. And another treasure hunt. Alright guys, this is it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and stay tuned for more videos like this and new release. Let's go.